Hello my dear children, today we are going to learn about one phonics fun story. The name of the story is Bugsy Paints a Bus. Sound of the letter B. B. Bugsy the bee wants to paint today. She gets her big brush and her box of paint. I will paint a bus, says Bugsy. She puts a plop of black and a plop of orange paint on paper. This is brown, she says. Now I can paint a big brown bus. Bah, bah, bah. Big brown bus. Bugsy paint a brown bus. She wonders who will travel in the big brown bus. I know, says Bugsy. I will take my friends Boo the butterfly and Bingo the bluebird to the market. We will buy some bread and butter for breakfast. Boo sits in between Bingo and Bugsy. They all sing together. We are going to the market in a big brown bus to buy some bread and butter for breakfast. Bugsy is a busy bee.
Bugsy is a busy bee.
She paints a big bus happily.
She paints a big bus happily.
Bugsy's bus is big and brown.
Bugsy's bus is big and brown.
She takes her brown bus into town.
She takes her brown bus into town.
We need some butter and some bread.
We need some butter and some bread.
That's what Bugsy said.
That's what Bugsy said.
Next we will see beginning sound B related words. B, 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 butterfly, B, butterfly, B, bus, B, bus, B, bluebird, B, bluebird, B, brush, B, brush, B, butter, B, butter, B, bread, B, bread. Children, hope you understood well about beginning sound B related story, rhymes and words. Thank you.